Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. Today we are going to do an unboxing. Jeff is going to tell you more about that unboxing.
Yep, we have this Ambient Weather. It is the model number is WS-2902B. It actually came open in the mail. Don't know if it was meant to, but looks like you see the tape came off. So I did take a peek since it was open already. And so let's take a look inside, see all you get. And then what we'll do is we will get it set up, and we're not going to show the setup process, but we will get it set up and kind of show you guys what we did a little bit. And so here we go. We have the guide, obviously, the directions. And then within this, you get your screen that's for inside. And then we'll take this off here so you can see what all it offers.
Really nice.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a really bright screen. We did get this on Amazon. No, they did not sponsor or provide this for us. We bought this with our own money. So it's an honest review and assessment of this. It's not a paid one. So it looks like that's the plug for that. And that's probably the stand that goes for that, I would imagine. So I can drop the hood. And bring this sucker out here. And this is a weather station. We've been meaning to buy a weather station for a long time. The thing that really kind of sucks, in all honesty, is that I really wanted to get this up before the hurricane was coming towards us, but we didn't get a chance to do that because I wanted to see how much rain and all that stuff we would have gotten. So, actually that's for the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
And then this is the directional. And another little part. There's that. And we got the bracket to hold it. I believe that's it. So here it all is on the table. We're gonna go ahead and put it together, and we're gonna put it up. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's up, and then we will set it all up together. As far as I think putting it together is gonna be pretty simple, and probably not something you guys really want, because it's just a matter of putting pieces where they belong. So we will get this put together, and we've got the boys outside putting up the post that this is going on. We went ahead and bought a 10-foot total post, a 10-foot post. We're putting it about 2 feet in the ground, so it'll be 8 feet up. We're about 100 feet from the house, which is about, I believe what I was reading is what you kind of needed to make sure that you were away from a structure of any sorts, but obviously we need it close enough to be Wi-Fi. So we are not putting in a permanent post just in case it doesn't work for Wi-Fi reasons. We can move it. So we'll keep you updated on all that if it works and if we need to move it. So follow along and we will show you guys here shortly.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, welcome back. We got it put together. For the most part, it was fairly easy. The only thing is that it came with this spring thing on it, and it's not listed in the parts section, and there's no directions on where to put this thing at. So if you know where it belongs, let me know. Otherwise, we're just gonna hang on to it because I have no idea where it would go. But other than that, you can see that you got a nice LED. Comes with a stand if you want, and a plug. There's that. And then really the only assemble, and it's fairly easy, is this goes on and it twists on. There's like little prongs on the inside. You push it down and then you twist it and it locks it in place. And then you got to put this on and this on, and then there's tiny little screwdrivers on the back. So you need to make sure you have a tiny screwdriver on hand. And then the last thing is you just got to put your batteries in. So the batteries go back here, but it's also solar here. So I think the solar takes it for the most part. It's what I think I remember reading. And then should it need it, the batteries will be there. So we're gonna go assemble it. It comes with some U-shaped bolts. And so we're gonna go assemble it on. The boys are about done. And we'll show you what it looks like assembled and where we did it.
Hold it.
Very, very still.
Trying.
You're fine.
Not 100%, but it's pretty well. Cool.
There, you want to try?
Yeah.
Go from underneath on the wood.
Buddy, come.
Is it going? Mom's not doing nothing.
There it is.
How would you do? You didn't-
Because I can tell.
It's going down from 10. It's definitely going down. Mom, look, I'm wearing a jacket.
It's freaking hot out here, so I don't know why you're doing that.
All right.
Good?
All right, we are now inside. We got it installed up on the pole. And we got it installed, and here you can see the dashboard. So is what you do is you got to get on a 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi first, and then you follow the promptus to get this connected to Wi-Fi. Then is what it allows you to do is you can go online, where from everything that I've been reading is online is kind of where it's at because it tracks a whole lot more for you. So obviously we just started today, but as you go along, we obviously named it Smith Family Ranch, our device. But as you go along, it'll track everything for you. Your wind gusts, it'll track the wind direction, how much daily rain or hourly rain you're getting, the pressure, the outdoor humidity. So as you can see, it tracks everything for you. On the display, everything that I was reading, it was pretty bright. I'm kind of disappointed because it's not very bright. I've tried to change it so that it would be bright, like it dims, and that's about as bright as it gets. But when you look right at it, I'm kind of disappointed in this because it might be hard to show up on camera, but if you look right at it, it doesn't show up very bright. You got to kind of get the angle just right on it to see what it is that you're looking at. But overall, pretty impressed with this thing, especially of how much it tracks. Extremely easy to install. That we don't have to do anything scientist style or anything like that. So again, it's the Ambient Weather, the WS-2902 Wi-Fi weather station is what we got. So if you have any questions, let me know. Be glad to answer any of these things for you, especially as the weeks come on, and hopefully we get some rain this week, so it'll calculate all that for us. So, all right, well, thank you for coming along on this review and unboxing, and look forward to this thing.